I don't believe it. Why did you revive me? Are you crazy?
If I arrest you and hand you over to public safety, I'd feel like I had a fishbone stuck in the back of my throat or something.
You think you'd still say that if I tried to kill you right now?
Getting done in by a hot girl seems like a pretty cool way to go out.
I'm running away now. See ya.
Want to run away together? I'll wait for you at the cafe! I'll be there for lunch, okay? You better come!